got me, homie. All right. You know how to work that face recognition shit already?
Well, figure it out. Okay, booting up. You can use the sticks to move the camera. Zoom in and out. It'll pick up pedestrians carrying the 2012 SA state license. If you target them, the scanner accesses the database and pulls their record. Hey, let's see if we can scan my buddy.
And all they care about is the bottom line. Guess who's getting a work-related injury and suing your ass for 6 figures? That's right, this guy.
That's not our car owner. 2 guys on a rooftop going at it. Lady downstairs in the bikini. Let's see if we can connect the dots.
I got you, you creep. It's a free country. I know my rights.
It's him! You got him!
She's showing it off. She wanted me to look. You're a very sick man. Keep telling yourself that. She wanted it.
Not Mulligan.
If she wanted it, why are you sneaking around?
Punch the creep!
We ain't after that
That's the buzz. You're both getting off on this. Don't try to deny it. I think you need help, man. I ain't the pervert. You are.
Come in, Franklin. Suspect's not in the area. I repeat, suspect not found in the area.
All right. He might be a couple blocks east of there.
Roger that.
Can you pretend you're enjoying it? I'm already very insecure. This isn't helping. I'm paying you a decent wage. I expect some enthusiasm.
Hey, Jai, you disrespecting my girl, man.
I've already paid her for a service. This is bullshit.
Suspect.
Well, shit, now you're paying for the service of me not shooting you in the face, you disrespectful fuck.
I've already maxed out my ATM.
Zavo! Other glad! My glad!
We ain't found him yet!
Zavo! Hola!
No, I'm still...
Car owner is still out there! Would you look at that couple? Finally! Some normal, adjusted, healthy people in this horrible town!
At the brothel.
Come in, Franklin. We've got a positive ID on the suspect. I repeat, we have visual on Chad Mulligan. No vehicle in sight.
All right, look, cool. We looking for his lockup, dog, all right? Stay on him and look out.
Roger that.
Out of the way, you bag of worms! Control your dog, asshole! Easy, pal. He's in quite a fragile state emotionally. Nice, great. You've upset him.
We have lost sight of the suspect. Might have to send Pilot Boy down to draw him out.
Hold on, wait. He should come out from behind that building.
Suspect's on foot.
Okay, I see the chop. I ain't far away.
Hey, rise and shine! Huh? Yeah, man! Seize the day! Go on!
Suspect stopped walking. Appears to be accessing a small garage.
All right, this is it. I'ma get the call.
Hey, motherfucker! Oh, shit! Shit! Oh, fuck!
What happened?
Hey, look, just stay on him, man, and let me know where he is.
Suspect sighted going south on Dutch Drive. Suspect going west down alley toward El Rancho.
Hey, where is he, man?
Car going north on El Rancho. Woo, woo, woo. All units be advised, we have a possible joyrider heading west on Howick in a black Z-Type.
Hey, man, you getting other cops on this shit?
Nah, homie. Thought you'd appreciate the authenticity.
Oh, okay. Well, I fucking don't.
Copy Unit 3, we have reports of dangerous driving in your sector.
This is Chopper Unit 3. Reports are greatly exaggerated. Over. Your boy Chad very nearly totaled the score. Oh, Chad, that was close.
Okay, I see the motherfucker, man. I got this. Damn, fuck me, man. Hey, where this fucking asshole at?
Suspect back on Del Perro heading west. Frank, you gotta speed this up. He's getting away.
Where is he?
Reckless driver sighted crossing Dorset Drive. Suspect sighted near the Life Invader offices. He's turned off Del Perro, down an alleyway.
You see him?
Lost sight of suspect near a parking garage. Request ground units to investigate. Hey, buddy, lower our altitude so I can see in. Slow and steady. This camera's giving me a little air sickness. I get violent when I'm queasy.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'll keep her steady.
All garage exits clear. Suspect is in the building. I can't see him. Need some help here, Flyboy. Where is he?
You can toggle to thermal vision if you think that would help.
Oh, well, you might have just earned yourself a reprieve. You know, I think I'm developing feelings for you. All right. Oh, this might help.
Hey, can y'all still see me? I'm in the middle of the garage, man, right here.
Roger, we have visual.
Hey, you reading other heat signatures on this level?
Man in his car to my right. Ooh, looks like son's fault.
Fuck, dude could be calling the feds, homie. Nah, what else you got?
We got a guy standing over by a row of cars, middle of the floor.
Well, let's see what the fuck you doing. Hey, that ain't... Damn. You're the reason these places stink. Stank-ass motherfucker.
Near side of the garage, on my left, there's a man in a car.
This better be him.
This better be the guy.
Hey, that's the motherfucker. Thank you, Trevor Phillips.
I know you think this car might be worth something?
Suspect down! Fine work, ground unit.
Mr. Clinton,
Hey, Molly, right? I got that car for y'all.
the Z-Type? Mr. Weston will be glad you caught us. He wanted to see it before we took off. We're on the way to his personal hangar at Los Santos International. I'll tell them to expect you at the gate.
All right. Hey, I'm delivering the ride to Los Santos International.
Hey, is the lady gonna be there? Or just a dick who ain't paying us till we get all the cars?
Shit, I think they both gonna be there, dog. Devin and Molly.
Say hello from me to Molly.
Man, I ain't hitting on nobody for you, man. Least of all, her.
God, why not? It's about time I settled down.
Shit, man, you need like a lion tamer or some shit. This girl, man, she got balls, dog, but she needs some serious stones to handle your ass.
Just say hello.
Man, I ain't gonna be a part of that.
After everything I've done for you, you are just like Michael.
Hey, I'm supposed to meet Devin Weston here.
Mr. Weston's hangar is up there on the left. Oh, there she is. You know, if this beauty was a woman, I'd have to break my 20 and under rule.
Man, I'll just stick to driving, all right?
Hey, tell me something. You know how many of these things they made?
Shit, like 10?
No, not like 10, man. Exactly 10.
Oh, wow, man. You one of them type of dudes, huh?
Tell you something. How'd you like to drive a car like this one day, man? For real.
Like this or this?
Oh, man, right back at me, homie. Really nice. Hey, you know something? You're not like those snowbird retiree pals of yours. You are sharp, man.
Man, I'm just looking for a paycheck for my services.
No, don't worry. It'll come. That'll come. But right now, it is life lesson time, pal. You have got to wake up to what's real in this situation, bro. Take me, right? I am opportunity. I'm security. I'm fast cars, blow jobs. I got the world on a plate. Those two clowns, oh, man, they are the worst kind of disaster that can ever come down. They are a full core meltdown, and you're just standing there soaking up major radiation. You have got to take stock, man. Make that call before it's too late.
Yeah, all right, man. I will.
Before it's too late, man.
Yeah.
Just take any car and go.